Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through the simple process of resetting or changing the password of your Stake account. If you have forgotten it or just want to update it for security reasons, this guide will show you exactly what to do. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your preferred browser like Chrome or Firefox and then go to the official Stake login page. So, open a browser and type stake.com. Now once the website loads, look at the top right corner and click on the login button. Now instead of logging in, look just below in the sign in box and click on the option that says forget password, and now you will be taken to a password recovery page. So over here in the text field provided, just simply type the email address that's linked with your Stake account. And then once you will enter that, just click on the button that says now. Just simply click on recover password, and now just simply wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see, email has been sent to you on your registered email address. Now go to your inbox and check for the email. Now in your inbox you should have received the email from Stake, as you can see right over here. Now open the email and you should be able to see a link right over here. Click on that link and copy this code over here. Then go to this link option and enter your email address right over here and your code, and then just simply hit submit or click on save. And after clicking on save, you should receive another email in your inbox. So go to your inbox and this time you'll receive this email with an option called reset password. Click on that. Now wait for a few seconds and a pop-up will appear in front of you. Just simply click on reset password, but first enter a new password and then click on reset password, and just like that your password is now reset and you have also signed into your Stake account. So that's it, your Stake account password is now reset and ready to use. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.